Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome to my channel Learn Mathematics by Abid Hussain. Hope you will be fine. Friends, today I would like to explain square. What is square? How to find area and perimeter of a squares. Okay, first of all, what is square? A square is a closed two-dimensional shape with four equal sides. Any figure which have four equal sides and meeting in this form is called a square. Okay, the little square in each corner means right angle. These all little square in the corner, these four little square are called right angle. What is meant by right angle? Right angle is 90-degree angle is called right angle. This 90-degree angle is called right angle. Okay, a square has equal side marked S. Square has all sides are equal in length, and let's their names S, and every angle is a right angle, and each angle in its corner is a right angle. Okay, also opposite side are parallel. Opposite sides of a square is always parallel. Okay, one more question is sum of interior angles of a square equal to 360. Important question for MCQs is the sum of all interior angle of a square is equal to 360. Adding these four angles, 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90, we get a 360. Okay, a square is also fit the definition of rectangle. All angles are 90-degree, and rhombus all sides are equal length. Okay, we know that in a rectangle all angle are 90-degree, and in a rhombus all sides equal. That's why we can say that a square fit the definition of rectangle and a rhombus. Okay, what is the area of a square? If we represent each side of square by S or any variable mean X, S, Z, anything. Okay, here S. So area of a square is S multiplied by S. Its length multiplied by width. Its length is S, its width is S. So S multiplied by S is S square. Okay, and perimeter of a square. What is perimeter? Perimeter are the sum of all side of any closed figure is called its parameter. Mean adding all its side 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 side, which name is S, S, and S. So adding these all sides we get 4S. Okay, next example. Find the area of square of side 16 meter. If we have a square which each side in length is 16 centimeter, then find its area. Okay, simple solution. Side of square represented by S, which is 16-degree. Each side of square is represented by here S, which is equal to 16-degree. Area of square. We know that the formula of area of square is length cross width. Length is S, width is also S. That's why S multiplied by S is S square. Always the area of square is S square, X square, A square. Its length and width, multiplication of its length and width. Okay, area of square is equal to putting value of S. S is 16 centimeter. 16 centimeter whole square. Square of 16 is 256 and centimeter square, which is the area of a square. Now find the parameters of square of side 4 centimeters. Okay, sides of a square is represented by S, which is equal to 4 centimeter, which is given. Okay, perimeter of square. We know that perimeter is sum of all side. A square have 4 side, which name is S plus S plus S. So adding these four, these S, we get 4S. That's why parameters of a square is equal to 4S. Now putting value of this S, which is this 4 as it is, and putting value of this as which is 4 centimeter length of each side of a square. 4 times 16 centimeter, which is the parameter of a square. Okay, summary of this question is, what is square? A closed four-sided equal sided figure is called a square. How to find the area? Area is length multiplied by width, and length and width all are equal in sides of a square. That's why the area of a square is represented by s. If each side of square represented by s, then its area is s square. And what is parameter? Parameter is the sum of all sides of a square is called its parameter. Okay, thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, good luck.